And they were really more for decoration than anything else. They were just kind of put on the table.
System. Who's back there?
This is probably. Now I see why I was like, why did she change seats? Okay, I'll just take this in.
For all the trick-or-treaters heading out tonight, 5 o'clock, still in the low 70s. We'll have mostly clear skies, but we will see those temperatures in the upper 60s by 7. So it's going to be nice and mild, even. Oh my God! Why? Why does this keep happening? Lord! Wait, so no one saw anything falling? Do you see this? Oh my gosh! You know, no one saw anything fall. Everyone just saw me freak out for no reason.
You really can't see it.
There.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So this is why. Okay. And this is the magic of the green screen. Expect some showers and thunderstorms. Not quite as warm. Not again. As we head into the rest of the weekend, though, it's going to be cool and dry with temperatures. Oh my God. You didn't even see it. This is so not fair. Look at this. Look at what I just ran into. Done.
I do like The Sixth Sense, though, because that is one that made you think.
Yes.
I like that when it forces you to watch.
Yeah. What about
Not again!
Not again, the spiders. Oh my goodness.
Do not mess with Mary Poppins, guys.
Be still my heart. Be still my heart. That's not right. That's not
I
right.
was hoping it was a clown. I was hoping it was a clown that popped out. I really want to see that.